Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by clearing the valley and cutting away damaged shingles or metal. Do this promptly so you can see the substrate. Next, lay a self-sealing underlayment centered in the valley. This provides a waterproof backup. Make a 6-inch mark down the center so your flashing seats evenly. Once done, run a bead of butyl tape along the center line. This helps seal laps. Make sure to keep tools within reach. You want continuous workflow to avoid shifting the underlayment. Place the preformed metal valley flashing over the underlayment so it centers on your guideline. This redirects water straight to the eave. Once positioned, secure at the high points only. This prevents distorting the metal. When seams are required, overlap by 6 inches and seal with butyl tape for continuous waterproofing. Then, shingle installation resumes. Tuck or lay shingles over the flashing edges as appropriate, and make sure each shingle lap aligns to shed water cleanly without pinching the flashing. To finish, seal every exposed screw head and every lap with quality silicone or polymer sealant. This final barrier prevents seepage. Trim any excess flashing neat to the roofline, and paint if you want a uniform look. Once a storm passes, inspect the attic and valley for signs of leaks within 48 hours. Early detection saves large repairs. If water shows up, focus your troubleshooting on underlayment adhesion, seam seal integrity, and flashing alignment. Reseat or replace the flawed section rather than patching repeatedly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.